Hey there, fellow digital enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech topics to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to check PDF resolution in 2025. With the rise of high-quality digital documents, knowing if your PDF is crisp or blurry can make all the difference, especially for designers, students, or anyone sharing important files. Let's dive right in. First off, why does PDF resolution matter? It determines the clarity of images and text in your file. Low resolution can lead to pixelation when you print or zoom in, so checking it early prevents headaches. The good news is, it's straightforward with a few simple tools. Step 1. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat, which is still the go-to software in 2025. Once it's loaded, go to the Tools menu and select Print Production or Analyze. Here, you can inspect individual elements like images. Look for the resolution details, usually listed in DPI, dots per inch. Aim for at least 300 DPI for print quality docs. If you don't have Acrobat, don't worry. Step 2. Use free online tools like SmallPDF or Adobe's web version. Upload your file, and these sites often have built-in analyzers that show resolution stats instantly. Just be cautious with sensitive documents due to privacy concerns. For more advanced users, Step 3. Download software like PDF24 or use built-in features in graphic design programs like Photoshop. Export your PDF and check the settings. Many programs let you preview resolution before saving. One quick tip. Remember, PDFs can have mixed resolutions if they contain both vector graphics and images, so check each element. In 2025, with AI-powered tools emerging, you might even see apps that auto-optimize resolution for you. There you have it. Checking PDF resolution is easier than you think. Give it a try on your next project, and let us know in the comments if this helped. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.